Hey everyone, this is Jessica Schwartz. I am back with another quick tip for you when you're writing, whether you're writing a book or you're writing anything, whether it's long form, short form, blogging. It can be difficult to actually make writing a habit, and I totally understand. If it's not something you're already doing all of the time, it can feel weird to put it into your schedule or make time for it when you already have a busy life. But the truth is that when you make writing a habit, it's just like when you're going to the gym or starting a lifestyle change or a diet. It takes about 3 weeks for a habit to really form in us. Just like they say when you're quitting smoking, it takes about 3 weeks for the habit to really become ingrained in you and for you to really feel comfortable. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to make it a habit, and one of the ways is to specifically incorporate it into your schedule. So if you actually put it in your calendar, in your schedule, set an alert, and put time where you're blocking out so you're not going to have any other meetings, you're going to be able to walk into a room, close the door, and not be disturbed. That helps you make it a habit because it's on your schedule. And many of us, especially freelancers, we tend to live and die by our calendars. So that's one way. Another way is to turn off all distractions. Close the door to the room, put your phone on silent, close out of Facebook and Instagram, and just put yourself in a zone where you can feel focused and concentrated and dedicated to what you're doing and not distracted by all of the noise of life. It can be really weird to just turn off everything and stare at a blank page, but the truth is sometimes that's what you got to do. So we're going to talk more about how to make writing a habit, especially when you're writing a book, in my new course, How to Write a Book in 3 Months. And you're going to get that and more, plus plenty of handouts and more throughout the course. And I'm really excited, and I hope you guys want to check it out. I'm also going to link in the comments below, I'm going to link a free article about how myself and several other writers, how we guard against writer's block. What do we do when we run into writer's block, and how can we not prevent it, but get past it and go through it and come out the other side with some re-inspired and refreshed ideas. That'll be in the comments below. I am excited to talk to you guys more in the coming weeks, and I hope you have a great day.